pre-college enrichment program has given me a great sneak peek into the college life, waking up into this beautiful campus, living in these great dorms, going to these lectures. In high school you don't really get that, but it's been a great privilege to just see what college life is like.
I just feel like it's a good combination of learning and fun.
My international business class, we had a guest speaker who did international marketing for ABC, and I had never considered that as something I would want to do in college. But after the class, I was so inspired. I stayed afterwards to talk with her a little bit about her path, what she studied in college, and how she got her first job. And I immediately started looking up what she had studied at all my top choice colleges because I was like, oh my gosh, I could really see myself doing that. So I was really excited to learn about something that I could potentially do for the rest of my life. It was so easy making friends. I was so nervous about it, but the first day, me and everyone in my little corridor of our living hall, we were all already best friends, sharing clothes, doing each other's hair and makeup. It was just like we had known each other for our entire lives, and I looked back and I was like, I've known these people for like 12 hours, but I'm already talking with them, laughing with them, sharing snacks. So it's been a really great opportunity to meet so many people from all across the country that I never would have met.
It's different than school in the sense where you get to choose what you want to focus on and you're passionate about it. So I think that's a really cool thing you get to do here, and I really appreciated that.
Allowing me to walk around campus by myself and go into town without any chaperones really has let me experiment with my maturity and responsibility, and I think it's a great way to see what college is going to be like. And I think it's a great way for friends to experience college a little bit early because I know it's very nerve-wracking, and I feel like this kind of set me up for college.
I definitely recommend this to a friend or just anyone. It really shows you what it's like, and you know, if you're on the cusp of just deciding whether to go to college or not, it really just helps. That shows you all the possibilities and all the things you can do, all the fun you'll have, all the memories you'll make, and you learn so much from just the classes you pick. It's been like one of the best times of my life.